Staking is one of the alternatives you have to earn rewards on top of the crypto you already own. The great news is, you can now stake your BNB within the Trust Wallet app. But before we start, here's a quick recap on what it means to stake your tokens and what are the advantages of doing so. Staking is a mandatory condition of blockchains that operate using the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. This particular mechanism relies on individuals to become validators by staking tokens, basing itself on the premise that, by doing so, each person is committed to the maintenance and improvement of the network, receiving rewards for their essential role in processing and validating transactions. Most networks give more preference for validators with higher stakes, as this can fundamentally show that the person is committed to the system. The benefits are several, and the opportunity it gives crypto holders to earn while supporting the networks they care about is one of the reasons why staking has become so popular. Here, we will focus on the three main advantages that come with it. When staking, you are supporting the networking use and therefore are contributing to the growth of the distributed ledger technology. On top of that, it is a form of passive income. It is low risk, and you will earn rewards at the end of the lockup period. And last but definitely not least, consensus alternatives like POS aim to achieve consensus in a more energy-efficient way, avoiding the usage of large amounts of power that POW needs. To start staking your BNB with Trust Wallet, you have to make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device and have some BNB on your Binance chain address. Once on the main wallet view, tap on the BNB token and then, under More, select Stake. Now you must choose your validator, which are the individuals and groups operating hardware nodes, powering the BSC network by processing transactions and signing blocks that receive rewards in transaction fees from the processed network activity. The more BNB a validator has in stake, the more voting power they have, and therefore the more rewards they can get. These earnings are shared among validators and delegators, although each validator can set a commission on all the rewards being passed on. On this step, choose your validator wisely. You can compare their voting power, commissions charged, and check the annual percentage rate of the earnings that are being paid off for delegators. Once that's done, choose the amount of BNB you wish to stake and tap on Next. At the confirmation screen, tap on Send and you'll start staking your tokens.